रणबीर कपूर हमारे जनरेशन का सबसे ज्यादा कंट्रोवर्शियल सितारा. But does he deserve all the hate he gets, or is he just another victim of the cancel culture? I am Aditi, and this is the controversial life of Ranbir Kapoor. To better understand Ranbir's life, we'll have to go back to where it all started, the iconic Kapoor family. अब बॉलीवुड की फर्स्ट फैमिली में जन्म होने का कुछ एडवांटेज और कुछ डिसएडवांटेज है.
क्या है कि मेरे जो फादर है वो बहुत ही ऑनेस्ट इंसान है. कभी किसी को खुश करने के लिए कुछ कहते नहीं है. मेरी मम्मी जो है वो मेरी बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन है. अगर मैं कुछ भी करूँ उनके लिए सबसे बेस्ट है. लेकिन मेरे फादर के लिए वो मुझे हमेशा कहते हैं कि कसर रही कसर रही.
He was expected to outperform all the actors coming from the Kapoor family of his generation, and this was a lot for Ranbir as a child. अपने बचपन के बारे में बात करते हुए रणबीर कई इंटरव्यूज में ये बताते हैं कि कैसे उनके फादर की एक्सपेक्टेशंस उन पे बहुत ज्यादा हेविली ये करती थी. इनफैक्ट ही वाज अंडर सो मच स्क्रूटनी कि महज 15 साल की उम्र में ही बिकेम अ निकोटीन एडिक्ट.
Nikhil never saw his eye color. I was always like this. I was just like yes. I never said no. I was so scared.
Like the movie.
But unfortunately, this was the least of Ranbir's problem. Ranbir grew up in a dysfunctional family because उनकी पेरेंट्स की मैरिटल लाइफ बिल्कुल भी अच्छी नहीं थी, एंड वो और उनकी बहन कॉन्स्टेंटली अपनी पेरेंट्स को लड़ते झगड़ते देखते थे. इनफैक्ट ये झगड़े उनके लिए इतने ज्यादा ट्रॉमेटाइजिंग थे कि एडल्टहुड में भी ही वॉज नॉट कम्प्लीटली ओवर हिज ट्रॉमास. एंड ये बात याद रखना बिकॉज लेटर इन द इंटरव्यू दिस विल बी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. बट ये सब तो ठीक है, बट आई नो दैट यू गाइज आर वंडरिंग कि अदिति इन सारी चीजों में भला रणबीर का क्या दोष. सो लेट्स गेट इनटू व्हाई एग्जैक्टली डू नेटिजन्स एंड द मीडिया नॉट लाइक रणबीर कपूर. तो बात कुछ ऐसी है कि रणबीर की डेटिंग हिस्ट्री हैज बीन अ लिटिल रफ. सावरिया मूवी के साथ अपनी करियर की डिब्यूट करके रणबीर स्टार्टेड डेटिंग हिज को-स्टार सोनम कपूर. But just after a few months, things didn't seem to work out and they inevitably broke up. And this was the start of a very long dating history. Sonam के बाद से रणबीर started dating Imran Khan की current wife, obviously when she was single. And when that relationship did not work out either, he started dating Deepika Padukone. Now this is where his private life became not so private. Because just after a few years of dating, a photo went viral of Ranbir with Katrina on a foreign beach, and apparently Deepika saw that and she was obviously not very happy about it. But कुछ महीनों तक ये news was just a rumor, but Deepika herself confirmed it by coming on Coffee with Karan.
There's a reason it's called cheating. Cheating is a bad word. Honestly.
I didn't want Stanford, didn't Stanford.
I did Stanford.
And later Ranbir responded to Deepika's claim by saying it was not very graceful of her to go in media to talk about their breakup. But let's be honest, cheating is not very graceful either. Deepika के साथ breakup के बाद Ranbir officially started dating Katrina, but their relationship was also very turbulent. You see, netizens started noting a common occurrence in Ranbir and Katrina's public appearance, where Ranbir was seen constantly bullying Katrina in one way or another, and clearly she was not liking it at all. And this was not just a one-time thing, because there were several interviews where Ranbir was seen acting weird around Katrina, and people just didn't like his overall conduct.
तेरा माइक क्यों गिरता रहता है? You want help?
No, they don't do things like that.
They don't do things like that. Again,
I would have loved.
How hard is it to get a DVD emotion?
He's defying your edition.
So I know that's better. No, but I would definitely.
Best if you see everything on pirated stuff.
So obviously the couple ended up breaking up. Allegedly, Ranbir was not treating Katrina nicely. I don't know what is true or not, but this is what is alleged. But before we get to his current partner Alia Bhatt, Ranbir also started dating पाकिस्तानी एक्ट्रेस माहिरा खान. एंड ये बात हमें तब पता चली जब माहिरा एंड रणबीर की एक सिगरेट पीती हुई इमेज वायरल हुई. इसके बाद ही allegedly dated more women including Amisha Patel, but obviously that led nowhere. जिसके बाद हम आ जाते हैं अपनी स्टोरी के current timeline में. The second reason why people don't seem to like Ranbir a lot is because the way he treats his wife. I'm sure आप में से कई लोगों ने आलिया की रब इट ऑफ वाली इंटरव्यू जरूर देख ली होगी. एंड जिन लोगों को नहीं पता मैं उन्हें बता दूं कि इन एन इंटरव्यू आलिया सेड दैट रणवीर डज नॉट लाइक इट व्हेन शी अप्लाइज लिपस्टिक एंड ही आस्क्ड हर टू रब इट ऑफ. एंड आई नो कि आप में से कई बुद्धिमान लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे कि अदिति इसमें गलत क्या है भला. देन लेट Under no circumstance, for absolutely any reason, should an adult be told what to do with their own bodies by anybody. Yes, including your parents. Alia is not just Ranveer's wife. She is a person of herself and she is a very celebrated actress. So there is no reason why she should be changing herself for anybody. And the pot finally boiled over when people found out that Ranveer asked Alia to keep her voice under a certain decibel. Like, and once again, I know आप में से कई सिग्मा मेल्स ऐसे होंगे जिन्हें लग रहा होगा कि इसमें गलत क्या है. Then let me tell you, it's humanly impossible to not fluctuate your voice. Psychologically, the way humans react to a certain situation is through the concept of situationalism, which means that certain situations में आपकी बात कहने का तरीका, वॉल्यूम, टोन सब कुछ चेंज होती है. It is not possible for a person to keep their voice low at all times, nor should that be the quality of life you're living. And to be fair, it is very common in people diagnosed with PTSD to have certain triggers, including high sounds. But again, this does not mean that people affected will just ask people to keep their voice low at all times. Again, just not possible humanly. So by now आपको रणवीर की लाइफ का एक कॉमन थीम पता चल गया होगा, which is that he is not necessarily the nicest when it comes to women. And literally to ice the cake, Ranveer also did the movie Animal. I know. But before I end this video, there's a very important topic that we need to touch upon. And वो ये है कि क्या रणवीर की childhood traumas are the reason why he acts the way he does? And to answer that question, the gods of psychology would let you know कि yes, the way you're treated and you're nurtured as a child has a lot to do with how you become as an adult. And I do think that psychologically he was very impacted by his father's behavior. And I genuinely feel a lot of sympathy for him because एक father और एक बेटे का relationship genuinely काफी ज़्यादा critical होता है. But this does not give him a free pass to treat people badly. Like he can totally be a victim of a situation while also perpetrating this entire situation he's currently in. But whether you like him as a person or not, one thing that is for sure is कि रणवीर हमारी generation का one of the most popular actor है. And to be very honest, his performance in his movies is exactly how I would love if every star kid acted. And that was it for the video, guys. Do let me know whether you think that Ranveer was a victim of cancel culture or did he deserve it. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel because I work really hard to make these videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.